I'm Darcy Armstrong, Public Service Manager at Eckhart Public Library. Let's take a look at a great resource for students and teachers. I'm going to go to the resource page and come to Education. And we're going to look at Science in Context. It is a Gale database including millions of full-text articles from both national and global publications, as well as science experiments, interactive simulation, and other multimedia resources. So we come to that Students and Teachers page and scroll down to Science in Context. So you're able to do both an advanced search or a simple keyword search. Just want to show you the advanced search screen. So you can combine your terms. You can also search by a particular author or publication. Limit your content type to only resources with images, statistics, or if you're only searching for experiments, that's where you would go. So let's come back. I'm going to do a search for black holes. So it gives you an overview up at the top, and then it shows you on this page just how many hits you've got. So news articles, reference sources, images, and audio, video. Okay. Now, a lot of these might link to outside sources. So you can see when you click on one of those results, it gives you citation information. It gives you suggestions for other items like this resource, and you can play the video. Now, this is linking to outside Gale because this is from NASA's website. I'll pause it there. That's how that works.